yourself at home.
We'll see you later. What is it, Rocky? Hey, looky here. Oh, no. What happened? You need to bring that down. Put the rock down. Goober. What are you doing? Just put that down. See the rock on his mouth? Rocky, get it down. Come on. Get the rock down. Come on. That's why his name is Rocky. Because he loves rocks. Why are you sad? Are you sad? Don't be sad. Oh, now you're gonna hold your rock. How about some loving here? Here. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I'm not gonna get your rock. Oh no. Oh no. Look, 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 look. I'm not gonna get your rock. Okay, you get it. Get it, get it. I'm not gonna touch your rock. I'm not gonna touch your rock. Okay, go, get it. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Oh no. What's up with you? Whoa, okay, I'm gonna get it now. Now, here I am. I'm gonna get it. Come on. There you are. See? Oh. Okay. Rocky. Oh, drive again. You go get it. I'm gonna get it for you now. Here. Ew, your rock is so slimy. Ew. You go get it. Goober. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. Here. There. Get it. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Alright. Okay.